Hi guys, today we are looking at 2017 SPM paper 2. Okay, let's see section A. The first question, the Venn diagram in the answer space show PQR such that the universes set P union Q union R. So the first question they say not P. So not P that means is here the other than the P. So everything other than the P. So the second question, P in the set Q, this union R. So everything in R. So the first question, we are done. Okay, let's see the second question. Diagram 1 shows a right prism with a rectangular base, KL, MN, which is the bottom one. This one, the bottom one. On horizontal plane, triangle LMQ. LMQ is the side one. This one, the side one. The uniform cross section of the prism MQ and P. Q and P. So the straight line here. MQ and P. Name the angle between KL QP, the slighting one, PLQP, and KLMN, the line down one. So this is the sliding one, and this is the line down one. Okay, the angle between them, that means is Q L M and P K N. So the answer is P K N, or angle Q L M. Hence, calculate the angle between the plan. This one, KLQM and KLMN. So the answer, the angle at the top, which is you have this triangle, 90 degree. Okay, LM, this is 1.5 cm, and the slant one, this. So we have the PK, QL, so here QLM. So this is the angle. So we know opposite the angle, this one's called opposite. So opposite the 90 degree, this one called hypotenuse. So and the bottom one called adjacent. Now we have adjacent and hypotenuse. So you must remember down. Okay, so this one. So tangent equal to adjacent over opposite, cos equal to adjacent and hypo, and sin equal to opposite and hypo. So we see we need adjacent and hypo, so we use cos. Cos, the sudut we don't know. Then after that, cos is adjacent, so 1.5 over 4.5. So we move the cos over the right side. So delta become cos -1. You press the calculator, shift -1, 1.5 over 4.5. So you will get the answer 70.53. So this is the answer. Okay, we done question 2. Let's see question 3. Diagram shows a composite solid formed by joining a quarter cylinder. It means the quarter cylinder is this 1/4 cylinder. So cylinder, we know the formula is pi r square h. So this quarter cylinder, that means 1/4 pi r square h. And a right prism. Okay, prism, this is a trapezium, right? This is trapezium. So trapezium formula is 1/2 a plus b times the h, which is the 5. So we need to volume, right? They ask volume. Calculate the volume. So volume, you need to times the 7, which is the side here. So let's calculate and see. 1/4 times pi r. This is the r. This is the radians. So r is 5 square. R square times 7. So you press calculator, you will get the answer 137.1/2 cm cube, because volume we use cube. If area we use square. Okay, this is the quarter cylinder. Okay, let's see the prism, which is 1/2. Then a plus b, the meaning for a plus b is here. This one plus this one. So the top plus the bottom. So the top one, you know 5 because radians, right? So everywhere the side sure is 5. So 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 times with the height. So the height just now we already say is 5 times 5 and times the width 7. So 1/2 times 15 times 5 times 7, we will get 2621/2 cm cube. Okay, now they say calculate the volume, total volume, which is 1371/2 plus with 2621/2. Okay, so the answer you will get 400 cm cube. So we done question 3. So let's see question 4. Solution by the metric method is not allowed. So we don't use metric. We use the equation method. Okay, so you see, calculate the number of bicycles and the number of tricycles. There are 64 pedals and 74 tires. So you can set bicycle is S, X. So the tricycle is Y. So we see the pedal. 2 pedal, this also 2 pedal, so 2x plus 2y equals 64. So this is the first equation. So let's see the second equation. Tires. So here you have 2 tires, right? So 2. So this one is 3. So 2x plus 3y equal 74. So you get equation 2. Now we have the 2x, 2x. So we can use number 2 minus number 1. So 2 minus 2 no more. 3 minus 2 y. 74 minus 64 10. Okay, so now you substitute when y equal to 10. So you put inside the equation. You can put inside any equation. Equation 1 also can, equation 2 also can. If you want to put 2x plus 2y 64, this one also can, or 2x plus 3y, y you put 10 equals 74. So after that you calculate 2x equal 64. This one is 20, right? 20 you move here, 64 minus 20. So you get 44. So 2x equal 44. 44 divided by 2, so equal 22. So let's see the another equation we used to substitute the 10. 2x plus 30 equals 74. So 2x equals 74 minus 30, so 44. So x equal 22. Okay. Thus, the number of bicycles are 22, and the number of tricycles are 10. Because x, you see x you get 22. Thus, the number of bicycles is 22, and tricycles is 10. That's it. Okay, now we go to question number 5. State whether the following compound statement is true or false. Okay, you see the first statement, 2 is greater than 3. Definitely false, because 3 is greater than 2. So this correct. Negative 2 cube is negative 8. So this one means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, so you get negative 8. So this is supposed to be greater, so 3 greater than 2. So this statement is false. Why false? Because 2 is smaller than 3. Yes. Let's see the B. Write down the two implications based on the following statement. So you have these two, A greater than B, A minus B greater than 0. So you separate. That means first you put if A greater than B, then A minus B greater than 0. Then implication 2, you put if A minus B equal greater than 0, then A greater than B. Okay, let me write down for you. If A greater than B, then A minus B greater than 0. Then this one I just put the other way. If A minus B greater than 0, then A greater than B. That's it. It's very easy. Okay, see question C. Table 1 shows the number of sides and the number of axes of symmetry for some regular polygon. So the first one is triangle, 3 sides, square, 4 sides, and pentagon, 5. The number of axis symmetry for a regular polygon. This one, the number of axis symmetry for a regular polygon, which is, so you need to write if number of side is 3, then number symmetry is 3. Then the second one, copy number of sides is 4. Then the number of symmetry is 4. 5 also same. Number of side is 5. Then number symmetry is 5. So conclusion, the number of side n equal to the number of symmetry. That's it. Okay. Question 6. The aquarium has the length x plus 7. Okay. You draw aquarium. So this one is x plus 7 and the width is x. So the height is 60. So they give you the total. The total is 48000. So for the rectangle is this one, x plus 7 times x times 60. X plus 7 times x times 60 equal 48000. So after that, you times inside. So this one is 60x. So x plus 7 times 60x equal 48000. So 68 times x equal to 60x squared. 60x times 7, 420x. So this one 4800, you move to here. Negative 48000 equal to 0. So after that, you press your calculator, shift the mode for 2 times. Then after that, choose equation. After choose equation, you go to right side, then choose the degree. Press 2. After that, A equal to 60, B equal to 420, C negative 48000. So you will get the answer x equal to 25 and another answer x equal to negative 32. This answer is not acceptable. Why? Because negative is not the length. You don't have negative length. So you only have the one answer. So the value x is 25. That's it. Okay, let's see the next question. Question 7. During the school sport days, students use coupons to buy food and drinks. Aman and Lim spent 31 ringgit and 27 ringgit respectively. Aman, Lim. Okay. Aman bought 2 food coupons. Oh, this one they say using the metric method. Metric, you need to draw the bracket equal to bracket. So you can put Aman x, Lim y. So x, y. So you have to answer. One is 31, one is 27. So you see Aman bought 2 food coupons, 5 drink, and Lim bought 3 food coupons and 1 drink. So after that, you need to do the inverse metric for this thing first, because you need to move this to the front here. So inverse metric 1 over, so this one 1 times 2, 2 minus 5 times 3, 15. Okay, so after that, you need to change place for this and this. So become 1, 2. And the this one no need to change place. This you need to change. This one you no need to change place, but you need to change the sign positive and negative. So these two positive, so become negative. Negative 5, negative 3. Okay, so x, y equal this times 31 and 27. So you get negative 13. So after that you times this one. 1 times 31, 5 times 27. After that, negative 3. This one negative 3 times 31. Then after that, 2 times 27. You press calculator. Then you get negative 104, negative 39. So times another, this one negative, right? So negative 1 over 13 times negative 104, you get 8. So another one, negative 1 over 13 times negative 39, you get 3. Third, the price for the food kapun is Rm8 ringgit and the price for the drink kapun is Rm3. You need to write full sentences. The price for the food kapun is Rm8 and the drink kapuns is Rm3. Yes. Okay. Hi, let's see question 8. Okay. Diagram shows parallelogram on a Cartesian plane which represent locations of everyone house, clinic, school and shop. So this is the house, school, clinic, shop. Calculate the distance in km between V1 house and the school. That means these two lah, house and school. Okay. If we see the house, this y is equal to 0, so we can put the equation inside here, which is 2y, you write 0 equal 3x plus 15. So after that, 0 times 2, 0. So move the positive 15 here, become negative 15 equal 3x. So 3x equal negative 15. So move the 3 down here. So x equal negative 15 divided by 3. The answer is negative 5. Okay, so you know the house coordinate is negative 5, 0. This is the house. For the school, is 3, 0. Okay, let's calculate the distance. Let's count the distance. So the distance is x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2 x1 x2 y is nothing, so that means negative 5 square, negative 5 minus negative 3 square, so is negative 8 square, so negative 8 square is 64, so square root of 64 is 8, so the answer is 8 km. So from here to here is 8 km. Okay, CB. Find the equation of the straight line that links the school to the clinic. School, the clinic, this. So the straight line of the house to the shop equal the school to the clinic. The gradient is equal. So 2y, 3x plus 15, y become alone. So divide 2. So from here, y equal mx plus c. M is the gradient. So this is the gradient. So the gradient is 3 over 2. So we just put this x, this is y. So this is x, this is y. We put inside the equation. Y equal mx plus c. So y is 0, x is 3 plus c. So we get c, we get negative 9 over 2. So thus the linear equation, we get y equal 3 over 2x minus 9 over 2. So we don't want the bottom have the 2, right? So we move the 2 up here. So become 2y equal 3x negative 9. So this is the final answer for the equation. Okay, let's see the next question. A bag contains 5 cards labeled E, F, G, H, U. One card is picked random from the bag and the letter is recorded without replacement. Another card is picked at the random from the bag. The letter is also recorded. Complete the sample in the space. So we have E, F, G, H, U. E, F, G, H, U. So 2 cards, right? E, F, they given you E, F, E, G, E, H, E, U, F, E, F, G, F, H, F, U, G, E, G, F. So continue G, H. What else? E, F, G, H, G, U, H, E, H, F, H, G, H, U. Okay, now it's U. U, E, U, F, U, G, U, H. Done. Okay, after that, listing all the possible outcome from the event. Now we look at B. Find the probability that the first card is picked is a label with a vowel. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. So First card is the vowel. So E, F, E, G. Because E is the vowel, so all the E, H, E, F, E, G, E, U. The next one, you see the next one, F, F is consonant, G also consonant, H also consonant. The next one is U. So U, U, E, U, F, U, G, and U, H. So actually, how many here? 1, 2. We count the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 up, 10 down. So the total is 20. So how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 over 20. So probability of vowel 8 over 20, but you need to simplify, become 5 over 2. Use 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Okay, let's see second question. This one, the second one. The first card, pig is labeled with a consonant. Consonant, that means just now I already told you, like F, G, and H is the consonant. And the second card is a vowel. Okay, so we have F, E. F is consonant, E is vowel. So F, U. U is the vowel. And G, E. Yes, E is the vowel. G is consonant. So G, U, H, E, H, U. So total is 20. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over 20. Probability 6 over 20. After that, simplify, divide by 3. Divide by 2. So here, divide by 2 become 3, divide by 2 become 10. So this is the final answer. Okay, hope you guys can understand. Now let's move on. Question 10. Diagram 5.1 shows a Ferris wheel. The distance between J and K is 18. So this is the diameter. So how about the radius? So radius is 9. 9m. 9m. So they say calculate the minimum number of complete the spin required to cover the distance 600 meters in a circular motion. Let's count the one circle. What is the circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r. So you use 2 times pi 22 over 7 times r is 9. So what you get? Let me change your pen. This one, darker one. Okay, can see more clearly. The answer is 396 over 7m. Okay, so 396 over 7, you do know how many times, but the result, you need to get 600. Okay, so how to find x? 600 times this one, move here, change place, 7 over 396. So the answer is 350 over 33 rounds. So if change to the factor is 10, 20, 33, estimate, roughly estimate is 11. No, minimum lah, minimum 11 round. So we done. Okay, let's see the next one. Diagram 5.2 shows one large pizza and two small pizzas. Assume all pizzas are circular with the flat surface. This one, the radius is 14. This is 7. Using pi 22/7, calculate the portion of the large pizza which equal to the two small pizza. So this one equal to two small pizza. So let's calculate the big one first. The big one is, we use the formula because they asked to calculate the area, surface area. So pi r square. So pi is 22/7. R you have 14 square. So that means you get the answer 616 cm square. Okay, let's calculate the small. This one is the big one. Let's calculate the small one. The small one is 22/7 times 7 square. So you get 154 cm square. So that means two small pizza you need to times 2 times 2. So 308 cm square. Okay, they say portion. That means the big one is 6. 1 says this by 308. So you divide by 308. Here you get 1, here you get 2. So that means the first one must equal to 1. So divide by 2. So to divide by 2. So become 1, then 1/2. You can write 1 large pizza equal 2 small. This one is half large pizza equal to small pizza. So this is the answer. Okay, let's see question 11. Diagram 6 shows the distance time graph Uma, Jason, Martin, 3%. 100-meter race. Okay, who won the race? Okay, you can see OPQR. This OPQR. This is Uma. The one OM. OM. This is Martin. And one more. OKL. So Jason definitely lost. So who no rest? This means the rest. So no rest is Martin. So the answer is Martin Shiran 100 km in how many minutes? Here in 60 minutes. Second. In 60 seconds. Okay. The second question. During the race, Uma slipped and fell over. After that, he continues his run. State the duration before Uma continued his run. So he rests from, okay, we see the second one. He rests from here This one 9 to 18. So if you want to know how long he rests, 18 minus 9, so he rests 9 seconds. That's it. Question 3. During the race, Jason was injured and stopped running. The OKL, Jason, state the Jason distance from finishing line when he stopped running. When he stopped at here, right? He stopped at 70. So you use 100 m minus 70 m. So 30. So the answer is 30. Okay, the last one we need to calculate the average speed for Uma. So let's see Uma. Uma is the OP. The bottom one OPQR. This line. Okay, average speed equal to distance divided by time. So this is the triangle chart. Distance on the top, average speed, and the time. If you want to find distance, you use average speed times the time. If you want to find the speed, you use the distance divided by time. When you want to find the time, you also use distance divided by the speed. So let's see, now we use the 1 to 5 average speed. So we need to use distance. Okay, we know the total distance is 100 m. So total time 20 seconds. Yeah, so we find 5 ms. So this is speed. Okay, this question done. Okay, that's it. We finish bahagian A level 2. Thank you for watching.